In this teardown video, we test a lot of things like trains versus buildings, and a lot more, so stick around till the end. What a wonderful day it is here today. I'm just driving in my nice truck. I'm waiting for a train to come by. Wait, is it coming from that way? Oh, it is! Crap, I need to turn around. Oh, and there goes the train. I'm gonna miss the train. Oh no. Okay, speed up just a bit. Okay, wait, what am I seeing over there? Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh my goodness. A train just launched up in the air and hit another train. Oh wow, everything is destroyed here. And that is still somehow moving. Let's just get out and look at this real quick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wow, that is not good. This whole thing just got obliterated. And let's just watch that again, but from this angle right here. The trains should be coming right around now. I can just barely see that one over there. Ready? Let's see what's about to happen. Here comes this one and that one. Oh my gosh, bro. Holy. That was amazing. Where did the train? Oh, the whole top just got ripped off of that thing. So hello everyone, welcome to Teardown. I've never played this game on my channel, and yeah, we're gonna be playing some of it today, and it's gonna involve trains, as you can clearly see. And I'm gonna just let's just move on to the next map. So now we are here, just chilling, and oh no, there's a train. Get onto the other side. Oh no! I'm taken away here. Oh crap! Oh my! Oh no! Oh wow! That is not good. I was stuck under the train for like years there, bro. Oh wow. That is not good. Let me just... Okay, let's try this again, but not be hit this time, okay? Do a real quick U-turn. Okay, here comes the train. I'm gonna make that. Okay, this is a train chase map, so we have to like chase the train or something, I don't know. Maybe we can stop the train, because I think this is basically a runaway train here. Okay, I see some boxes in there. Whoa. Stop, the train, sir, pull over. Oh, okay, okay, whoa. Yeah, I don't think I can really stop this. Oh, a box just fell out of the thing. How is this? Let's go up that hill. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh! I hit a plane. That's a plane. Oh my goodness. My truck, bro. Oh wow, everything just got demolished here, bro. Okay, I saw a construction site, like, all the way up here. I'm gonna explode it when the train is about to go over it. Maybe that will, like, kinda, you know, stop the train, probably, maybe, quickly. Okay, it's right here it is. We're just gonna get rid of the... Whoa. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Oh wow, it's leaning already. Okay, let's grab my C4 here. Let's just get rid of the... support beams and stuff. Oh crap, exploded! I'm gonna just crash right into that. explode all of this real quick. Let me make sure I get away. Oh wow. Okay, that is right on the tracks here. So let's see what happens. And wow, that did not do anything. Okay. So we need to stop this somehow, and I can't even get on the train. Okay, I'm on the train. Not anymore. Okay, I'm too slow to catch up to it. Okay, that didn't work out well. So I'm gonna place C4 on the tracks up there, and then when I do, hopefully the train will derail and everything. So let's just okay, I'm gonna hop out. C4, 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 C4. Just explode everything, I guess. Okay, and go! Oh, that kind of worked. It's still somehow going though. It's looking like it's slowing down. The whole front of the train is exploded, bro. Well, looks like that worked. I'm gonna just... There, now it's stopped. What if I, like... do that? Okay, no, I won't be in this one. Okay, what's about to happen? Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, wow, it's still on. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that, like, now there's a piece of pole in my trip bed. Okay, stop! Oh, I can't stop it. Oh my goodness! Oh! I did not do that, okay? I did not do that. Oh. Wow, that just obliterated that. Holy. Hey, at least I kinda stopped it. Oh, wow. How's this up here? And how's this still going? Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna just stop that. Oh, never mind. It stopped. Wow, that was intense there. Okay, where am I right now? Oh, there's a bridge. Here's the train. Okay, it'll go over this bridge. Wait, can I wonder if... Say if I, like... What the heck? Okay. Say if I say, like... Oh no, someone has placed a bomb on the tracks. What will happen? Uh-oh. Okay, I thought that would be way more cool and cinematic and stuff, but it wasn't. Okay, say I'm just having a wonderful time playing in this field here, and like, something happens and I can't control it, or I'm just being weird, and I go and do something like that. Uh-oh. The train is kind of wobbly. The wood is kind of like wet. Oh, I thought something would happen. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow, okay. We're gonna get rid of more support beams here. Let me just lock them. Oh, I set the train track. Wait, I'm gonna set the train tracks on fire. There, I've set the train tracks on fire. Oh, what's about? Oh, okay, I guess that happened. Okay, the train is coming in slowly. Okay, here it comes. Let's see what happens here. And oh. How is it going back? What? Okay. Oh, is it down? No, it's... Huh? Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay, I have two more tests here. I'm gonna just fill this whole thing with C4, and we're just gonna see what happens, okay? Let me just place all of that here on every support beam. And the train is coming. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And it crashed. Okay. Well, what else did you expect? Okay, say if, like, if there's a plane, right? And this plane is crashing. And then the plane just does... Oh, come on. Then that happens. Okay, so now we got this map here, and there's trains that can drive into an apartment building. So let's just try that out. What about acid gun? Okay, it's burning through. Come on. Oh, it's almost moved. Hello? Oh, it's moving. And right into the... Oh wow, it came out through the other end. Okay, I wonder if I can somehow detach it and then, like, say if I place it here, and maybe the blast will damage it somehow, and I don't know. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Okay, let's try that. And okay, it worked. Oh, everyone, watch out! Watch out! Oh! Oh. What the? Look how much damage that done. Now we have to test the top floor. Okay, I won't be in it while it falls off the edge. Okay, let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, and... What happened here? Is anything happening? Stuff is lagging a bit. It's not... Where'd it go? Oh, it fell down here. Okay. And ready, 3, 2, 1. Let me get in here. That's the fire, and... Whoa, okay, open. Get inside. Close the door.